Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the certification for AWS Security Specialty Exam or code SCS-C02. So this is one of the most difficult exam in AWS. Let's just go ahead and jump to the slides. This is an advanced level certification. Again, this is one of the most difficult exam. It's a second version of exam CO2, which is updated from SCS-C01. It requires deep knowledge of securing AWS workload, application, and environment. The format is multiple choice. The delivery is through the person BUE testing center or online proctored. It's around 3 hours, so 2 hours and 50 minutes, 170 minutes. The number of question is 65. The cost of it is $300, and it is on several language: English, Japanese, Korean, simplified, Chinese. The passing score is 750 out of 1,000, and these are the skills being tested: designing and implementing AWS security control, troubleshooting security incident, automating security monitoring and compliance, using AWS services like WAF, Shield, Inspector, Security Hub, Macie, Secrets, and Secret Manager, and managing cross-account access, encryption, network isolation, and governance framework. So we have 6 domains. The first one is threat detection and incident response, which is yep. The second is security logging and monitoring, infrastructure security, identity access management, data protection. The domain 6 is actually incident response. So I made a mistake. So for domain 1, the key focus areas are threat detection analysis. So you have to analyze your logs from GuardDuty, CloudTrail, and Security Hub. And then incident response planning. So this is actually before the incident. So you plan and design the implement incident response playbook, define escalation path, containment strategy, and recovery procedures. That's before an incident actually happens. And automated response mechanism such as Lambda, Event Bridge, System Management Manager, and automate containment and remediation, and then trigger alerts and action based on predefined threshold or GuardDuty findings. And then, of course, post-incident activity. The services that are involved is the GuardDuty, CloudTrail, AWS Config, Security Hub, Lambda, and Amazon Detective and Event Bridge. So we will be studying those as we move towards this lecture, which is on probably next presentation. So this is just an introduction. This is what we'll be covering on this playlist. So for domain 2, the key focus areas is designing and implementing monitoring and alerting. And then troubleshoot monitoring and alerting system, design and implement logging solution, troubleshoot logging pipelines, design log analysis workflow. So again, the services that you need to study are GuardDuty, CloudTrail, Config, Security Hub, Lambda, Amazon Detective, and Event Bridge. For domain 3, this is secure identity access. So you are going to design and implement secure access mechanism, troubleshoot access control configuration, and design and implement federated identity, design and implement scalable authorization strategy. So I'm a bit I'm a bit sick. So the services that are involved are IAM, which is that's the accounts that we use to log in. AWS organization, Cognito, STS or Secure Token Services, and then IAM and Access Analyzer and Resource Access Manager. We'll be talking a lot about that one by one as we go through this lesson again. For domain 4, it's data protection. So it's confidential and integrity for data in transit. That's you're moving data from one place to another and it should not be interrupted or it should not be intercepted. Confidentiality and integrity for data at rest. Those are your data in your database or your backup, and encryption, and then life cycle management for data at rest, and credential secrets and key material protection. Will be There's a lot of services that you need to learn. The KMS, Key Management Service, Cloud, HSM, Certificate Manager, S3, RDS, the rest of the Amazon services, Redshift, Private Link, Site-to-Site, VPN, AWS Direct Connect, Cloud Brand. These are basically it's listing all the Amazon services, and you need to secure everything in Amazon technically. So I think, yeah, need to, it's data protection, so the data can reside anywhere. It could be in S3, it could be in a database, it could be on MongoDB, it could be on, whatever third party that is um, installed on your cloud. So you're as part of security team, you need to ensure that those items are available and secure at the same time to your colleagues. That's why it's listing a lot of services here, which is the same is true with the management and security governance. So you develop a strategy to centrally deploy and manage AWS account, implement secure and consistent deployment strategies, evaluate the compliance of AWS resources, and then detect and remediate non-compliance configuration. So again, there's a lot of items to learn. The AWS organization, control tower, IAM and IAM identity center, AWS config, audit manager, cloud formation, service catalog, AWS system manager, security hub, trusted advisor, Macie, and license manager. So actually, I just encounter all of this in the exam. We barely use all of this actually in the real world, but it's good to know. And then, well, as time goes by, we start using this feature one by one. So that's a good deal with the certification because you need to know in advance what's in there, even if you're not using it. For the domain 6, this is the actual incident response. So how are you going to respond when there's an incident? So design and implement an incident response plan. So you need to review that as well, and you need to test that. Detect security threats and anomalies using AWS services, respond to compromised resources and workload, automate remediation, and containment workflow. So the services are GuardDuty, CloudTrail, CloudWatch logs and metrics, config, Lambda, System Manager, Security Hub, Amazon Detective, Access Layer Analyzer, Step Function SNS, Element Bridge, WAP, and AWS Shield. That's the last domain. And thank you for watching. Again, if you learn something on this training, you can reach me for more personal training. You can email me or WhatsApp or donate to Aware IT, and contribute to free learning. So we are in YouTube, we're We we are also on Facebook, and we will be launching event as well. So your donation will be a lot helpful, and this is for the benefit of, we're actually targeting the out of school youth. So again, thank you for watching. Um, Again, just a recap. AWS CS-C02 is one of the most difficult exam of um, AWS. It has 6 domains. It's multiple choice. It's 170 minutes or almost 3 hours. It's difficult. It's $300. And it covers a lot of almost most of the cloud aspects. So this is one of the required exam for data architect and developer as well. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.